Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today my mom's showing you a simple step-by-step tutorial for a French headband braid, perfect for beginners. You'll see hand positions, every step clearly, and the stunning final look. Let's dive right in. Start by parting the hair from ear to ear and tie back the rest to keep it out of the way. We'll begin on one side. Take a small section of hair and divide it into 3 equal strands. So now you have a front strand, a middle strand, and a back strand. Now cross the front strand over and into the middle. Then cross the back strand over and into the middle. Here's where we start adding hair. Cross the front strand over the middle. Add a small section of hair to the strand you just crossed over. For the back strand, don't add any hair, just cross it to the middle. Just keep repeating the same steps. Cross the front strand to the middle, add to the middle, and cross the back strand to the middle without adding hair. By the way, whenever I create a beginner-friendly braiding tutorial, I'll add it to a playlist on my channel. So make sure to check the description below for the link and explore more easy-to-follow guides. Once you've braided to the center, it's time to switch sides. Adjust your hand positions to keep control and ensure the braid stays neat. Continue the same pattern. Cross the front strand to the middle, add hair to the front strand, and leave the back strand plain. If the braid feels loose, gently tighten each section as you go. Make sure the braid lines up with the part for a polished, professional look. As you reach the neck area, hold your hands close to the scalp. This keeps the strands smooth and prevents bumps. Once you've added the last section of hair, braid the rest into a simple 3-strand braid. Keep going until the braid is long enough to tuck behind the head, and then secure it with an elastic. Take a small section of hair from underneath and add it to the braid's end. Now tie them together underneath to hide the braid's end. This little trick gives the braid a clean, seamless finish. And that's it. Your beautiful French headband braid is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly braiding guides. Check the description for playlists full of step-by-step tutorials to inspire your next hairstyle.